So when you run a CRM system, one of the key is always to have data quality, and the worst thing and the nightmare is duplicate records. So that can easily be prevented. Let's just check how. So we are logged on, and we'll just do a quick search on somebody named Christian Knoll, like myself. So we have 2 records, but of course sometimes people don't know that and just go on and create a new one. So which we're gonna do. So we're gonna enter Mr. Christian, and as you see, as I type, automatically the number of duplicates come up. So first, based on the first name, we find 214. So if I enter the second name, we find 2 duplicates. So this is narrowed down, which I can immediately do. The next problem you always have is that people don't always type correctly. So they might do a typo like Christina, and still it's found, because we basically utilize fuzzy logic and saying, okay, if that is the case, then find the close match. So it can be as easy to just, as you type, start identifying the duplicates. For the technically savvy, what we are doing is we are using the FTS search. So we are using Elasticsearch. So in the FTS setup, you just choose the contacts, and then let's say use the first name. We basically set this on the duplicate level. We can also set if this is an exclusive or AND or a term-based criteria, which we should do. So this is also based on OR with a certain fuzziness. The fuzziness factor determines how strict the system is in determining that. And then, for example, the other thing we typically in there is email, where we say, okay, there is no likewise, so that's a term-based query. You can also make this a little bit easier, just basically say, okay, we want to allow more flexibility, just increase the fuzziness factor, and that's about it. Works on any module, the same. If I say, for example, I create a new account and I type 20 reasons. Of course, Google kicks in, but we don't want that. So immediately you figure out you have a duplicate, and then you can decide if you want to use it or not. Thank you.